Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host AJ Khan presenting Voice of Canada from Houston, Texas, United States of America. Viewers, today we would like to talk about the current weather situation of Houston, which broke 122 years record. The record lower temperature was -12. -12 degrees Celsius. Viewers, this is not normal in Houston. As I said, it broke 122 years old record. Situations were not under control. Authority was warning us that people should stay at home. Roads are not drivable. As you can see here, it's very slimy mud cut. Authority warned again for the storm. It's coming tonight. Till the last news, storm को आज रुक जाना चाहिए था. It started Sunday in the evening, but according to the weather report, there is another storm coming tonight. Roads are not drivable. There is power blackout. People are freezing inside because we are not prepared for this kind of weather here in Houston. Voice of Canada Urdu, AJ Khan with Ali Javed from Houston, Texas, United States of America, with the update of the worst weather of Houston in the history. This caused power blackout, no water, slippery and dangerous road accidents, closed businesses, and no communication. People are trying to risk their lives to get from one point to another point, which authorities are not allowing. But we have to do something. If we don't have power in this weather, of course, to survive, we have to get to another place where we have power and water. This is the current scenario. Another storm is coming tonight. Let's see what happens, and we'll get back to you with the new updates. Stay safe till then. Allah Hafiz.